One thing we try to introduce in a lot of our programs with Adventure Hub is for students to take away something that they can take into their everyday life and actually make a difference. So one thing is becoming aware of their choices. So, kids living in the city in general, quite often they don't see the impact of, their food choices, where water comes from, the effect it has, plastic pollution, all those things they don't really see those sort of effects. And when we're running programs like kayaking, river sledding, those sort of programs on the rivers, it's something you can really show on those programs. So you look at a river and say, okay, well, why is the river brown? Okay, was it like that a couple hundred years ago when Europeans first come to Australia? And obviously the answer is no. Okay, what's happened? Land clearing. Talk about their food choices. Dairy is a massive contributor to land clearing. Animal agriculture, all those sort of things. What choices are you making? What foods are you choosing that's having an impact on the environment? What are you doing to your plastic pollution? Obviously, when we're paddling down, particularly through our city kayaks and those sort of things, you can clearly see the effects that plastic is having on the environment. Okay, what are you doing with your plastics? If you drop it in the street, what's going to happen to it? It's going to end up going down the creeks, into the rivers, into the oceans, breaks down over a couple of hundred years, gets eaten by, breaks up into microplastics, get eaten by the animals, gets into the food chain, we eat it, makes us sicker. It's that whole cycle, and just having students become aware of those sort of things, and just owning those choices they make within their own personal lives.